All right, here's a bait that I'm using. I got some drum, some shads, on the hooked up tackles rigs. They made these double rigs, so I'm putting a big bait on the top and then a smaller one on the small hook, kind of reverse. Charlie here, once again, coming at you from a local watering hole. I am at Lake Louisville today. I'm going to do some fishing, but the fishing I'm going to do today is going to be with all frozen bait. Some of it's like a week old and some of it's just like from yesterday. So we're going to go for it. I'm just going to use 6 rods. I'm going to be using 4 planer boards and 2 just dragging off the back. I am using some new dragon weights from Hooked Up Bait and Tackle up in Valley View, so y'all check them out. And we are ready, and the bait's in there. I'll show you in a little bit when I cut it. Start cutting it up, and just a solo trip. I already got all my sunblock on because it is hot. That's why I came in the shade to get the boat ready. So I'm ready. Fixing to go head out there and get her done, y'all. In about 4 feet of water. All right, everyone, I'm in a small little cove. The wind's coming from east northeast, so I'm kind of drifting with the wind till I get to this bank over here, and I'm gonna go caddy corner. I'm gonna be going shallow. Right now I'm about 7 feet of water. I marked tons of fish right over here, but I'm gonna try to stay a little shallower than that. So what baits do we have? Oh, like I said, I'm using frozen baits. Got some pretty nice 4-inch shad there. I do have some large shad. And we also have some drum and a big old buffalo, and there's another drum underneath there. So I'm gonna cut some bait up and get ready, and I'll send these baits out. All right, y'all, we got all 6 poles out, 4 on planer boards, 2 straight down the back. We're in about 8 feet of water, going at about half a mile an hour. So not too shabby. The wind's about 5 miles an hour as well. So come on, fishy. I do have a drift sock off the back there, and I'm gonna sit my butt right here next to the trolling motor and enjoy the show. All right, let's do this. Check it out, y'all. A big old looks like a buffalo. Looks like it met its time. Let's see how long. It's a big boy. Yeah, he's big. He's been dead a minute, so I'll keep him as bait, but he's been dead a while. There it goes, y'all. Feed the fishes for free. Check this one again. It keeps plopping up and down. It's just straight down the back, so they're just catching the bottom somehow. Yeah, something hit it. Little channels. Some channel cats. I'll keep at it. Alright, y'all, picked up from that other spot. I'm gonna go right over here, then I'm gonna start a different drag from here, but I'm gonna be going directly into the wind instead of an angle. So nothing happened over there, just one massive hit, but it didn't get hooked, so gotta keep trying. Alright, y'all, we are at our second drag. We're in about 4.8 feet of water. We're going at 0.7, 0.6 miles an hour. We're going directly into the wind, so I'm not struggling too much to keep the boat straight. I didn't have to use the drift sock on this turn, so hopefully something happens. Not much has been happening. I know the spawn's kind of going on, so hopefully we'll get to see some fish. 2 hours, the fish are not eating, but I guess I'll help them out. If they don't want to eat, then I can definitely eat. Ooh, look at that jalapeno! Ooh, look at that sucker! Look at that spicy. Woo! Woo! That is definitely pickled and yet spicy. Oh, good lord. So yeah, just sun's peeking its face every now and then, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. All right, y'all, I left the main lake and made my way up the river, probably about a quarter mile or so. The lake's actually on that side. It is extremely high. The water is really high, so it was easy to get in here. There was actually some gentlemen in a bigger boat in here as well. So I'm just gonna do 3 poles for a little bit. When that happens, I'm gonna go hit the, something happened there. I'm gonna go hit the lake again. All right, y'all, this trip is turning to be one of those trips, you know what I'm talking about, where things start kind of falling apart slowly. Unfortunately, it's very windy, as you can see. The weather has turned for the, not necessarily the worst yet, but I hear thunder. Looks like rain is coming. That rain is gonna come. I'm really far from the bank with a 5-horse, so either time to book it, or time to fish in the rain. Yeah, the other thing is that I threw my large 4-foot windsock out, and unfortunately it wasn't tethered. I thought I had tightened it up. I have little snap-ons, and no, it just slipped right out of my hands. And by the time I grabbed the rod, I couldn't see it anymore. So yeah, I've done that twice since I've ever owned a boat, so it happens. But you know me, I'm still trying. The waves, the wind isn't too bad. It's just that, you see that? So I got to figure out what I'm gonna do. I think we might have a fish on here, y'all. Can't tell. Let's check it really quick. It was shaking like it did. Oh yeah, it does have a little baby blue. Look at that sucker. A little baby blue, y'all. Well, at least I didn't get skunked. First fish all day. There it is, yo. Little pretty boy. Pretty boy. Bye. This one might have one too, yo. Oh yeah, I think it's got one. Whoa. There's 2 of them hooked up back to back. Didn't even know. Small ones, but still. Wow. Nice, y'all. Feisty guy. There he is, y'all. Nice one. Heck yeah, I didn't even know it was on there. Raw fish.